Hello everyone, today we are going to review Acer EK220Q 21.5-inch Full HD monitor. It's a budget Full HD monitor. It comes in two sizes, 21.5 and 23 inches. It comes in two display technologies, IPS and VA. Currently it's priced at $5,399 for the 21.5-inch version. So the resolution, this is a vibrant HD Full HD resolution. Comes with AMD FreeSyncs and Bluelight filter. It is very good for coding but not very good for gaming. So the resolution is 1920 x 1080p, weighs around 3 kgs. It has a very thin bezel-less display. It comes with a 3-year manufacturer warranty and it's one of the best rated Amazon monitors. This is a box. It comes in brand packing. Let's open this up and get the monitor out. As you can see, this is pretty well packed. Now let's remove the top cover. This is the main display. Let's keep this aside for a minute and check the other things inside. This is a stand which attaches to the neck. Yeah, this is the neck. So these are the papers, usual manual, warranty card. Then we have the charging adapter. And then we have the HDMI cable. So it comes with a HDMI cable. So there will be 5 things in the box. Now let's fix the display to the base. This was pretty easy setup. Now let me connect my MacBook to this monitor via HDMI. It also has 2 VGA ports, by the way. I'm checking different resolutions. Next I'll show you different HD videos from the monitor directly. It has a really sleek bezel. The images are very crisp. This is a little pixel text to check for the colors and any dead pixels. So no dead pixels. Now checking from a different angle. Looks good. Viewing angle wise, this is inferior to the IPS display, but given the price, that does the job very well. So here's my verdict. It's a perfect budget monitor for study and work usage. Really sleek bezel display. 21.5-inch might be small for coding. You can go for 23 and not recommended for videos and gaming purposes. This wraps up. Thank you.